In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a data control in Looker Studio. A data control lets your viewers switch the underlying data source without changing your charts or redesigning your dashboard, which is ideal for teams comparing different accounts, properties, or environments in the same layout. Start by opening your browser and searching for Looker Studio. Click the official Looker Studio result to land on the home page. The exact path isn't important, as long as you arrive at the Looker Studio start screen. You should be logged in automatically with your Google account. Make sure you're in the correct account that has access to the report you want to work on, especially if you switch between personal and work profiles. From the home screen, browse your list of reports and open the one where you want to add the control. Choose a report that already connects to data so you can clearly see how the control affects your visuals. Open the report in edit mode. If you only see a view option, you likely need edit permission before you can proceed. Once you're in edit, you'll see the full toolbar with layout, component, and control options. In the top toolbar, click the Add a Control icon. It often looks like a drop-down list or a small slider. This opens a menu of interactive elements that help viewers engage with your report. From that menu, select Data Control. This control allows viewers to pick a different data source for compatible components on the page, keeping your layout intact while swapping the data that powers it. It's especially useful when all sources share the same schema, and viewers will only be able to choose sources they have permission to access. Place the control on your report canvas by clicking where you want it to appear. Position it near the top or alongside other filters so viewers can find it quickly. Use alignment guides and your reports grid to keep spacing clean and consistent. Once placed, the Properties panel opens on the right. In the Setup tab, you'll see the initial data source set as the default. Confirm that this default makes sense for most viewers and give the control a clear label so its purpose is obvious. If applicable, review which charts on the page are compatible with the control's selected data source. Then, switch to the Style tab to fine-tune appearance and behavior. Adjust fonts, colors, borders, and background to match your theme, and make sure the drop-down is legible at different screen sizes. Consider compact widths for tight layouts, and keep the control's styling consistent with other elements for a polished professional feel.